Today on FEP Labs Radio, let's talk about LifePO batteries, specifically the CHINS battery. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Jim, KN4YCD, and you're watching FEP Labs Radio. Today I want to talk real quickly about a battery I bought. I have a LifePO battery I got off of Amazon, a CHINS battery. It's a 100 amp hour, as I said, LifePO battery. I saw a review for it on another YouTube channel, Will Prowse. I'll put the link for his channel below. He does a lot of battery testing, off-grid solar stuff. And I read about it or heard about it on his channel and decided to buy one. I fully expected that I might have to send this battery back. It's not a cheap battery. I mean, you know, LifePOs are not as expensive as lead batteries, but it's a 100 amp hour battery. So it was about $500 on Amazon. I got the battery, got it charged up, and was amazed. The results I've gotten out of it have been outstanding. I ran 3 full charge discharge cycle tests on it. I have let the BMS cut off the discharge. I have not used my load tester with a set low voltage. I let the BMS handle it, and then I charged it back up. Like I said, I used 3 different chargers. I used a BioNO, it's about a 5 amp hour charger. I used a off-brand Amazon charger that does about 1.5 or 2 amps an hour charge. That took a while to charge a 100 amp hour battery. And I used a better battery charger that I bought. I can't remember the name. Link will be below of all these chargers. And it's a 20 amp hour charger, so it charged the battery up in about 5 hours, give or take. Discharge, I used a load meter, link below also, that I got off of Amazon. It lets me adjust the load that the device is pulling. All my tests were set between 8 and 10 amps, generally at least 8, and a couple times I reached in and bumped it up to 10 amps and made it discharge faster. A spoiler alert, so here it is. This battery performed outstanding. In the 3 tests I've done, I've got 106 to 107 amp hours out of the battery every time. I'm going to have footage here I'm going to roll in. Here it is. And as you can see, pretty darn close to spec for the battery. Here's a picture of the battery, what it looks like. Nothing special, but it gives us our amp hour rating, 100 amp hours, and total watt hours available on the battery. And as you can see, the battery met or exceeded expectations. Like I said, I did the test 3 times. I got results within 1 amp hour each time. So this is a great value, $500 for a 100 amp hour battery. My next plan with the battery is to buy a pure sine wave inverter, build a case to house this battery. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to make a go box big enough to hold this battery, or if I'm going to get a sine wave inverter and rig it up as a solar generator kind of setup for my house if the power goes out here. Either way, pretty cool, good value for the money. I learned about the battery on Will Prowse's channel, link also below, and Will had good review about it. His testing showed it held its load or its voltage very well over time, and the build quality on it was outstanding. He tore his battery apart. I don't have Will's number of subscribers. I bought the battery and I intend to use it. I'm not going to tear it apart. Interestingly enough, I caught another video just today. This is Thursday, I'm filming this. And Will did a review on a Zooms battery, which apparently inside is exactly like this CHINS battery. And at the time he purchased it, it was $399, $100 cheaper than the Zooms. Yet the internals were exactly identical down to part numbers, the way everything was laid out inside the battery, the same BMS, everything was identical. So that was kind of interesting. And I don't believe the 100 amp hour battery is available on Amazon right now, but for Zooms. but I will put a link to the Zoom's batteries below, as well as a link for the chins and the test gear I used. Anyway, that's all I've got for you guys today. 73. See ya.